Hey, I don't know what happened there. Somehow that just stopped. I hate when it does that. So anyway, the reason that I wanted to get the waterfall going after we cleaned it out last night is we brought some fish finally. So, which is pretty cool, right? So we're going to throw some little guppies, kind of some test guppies in here. But last night, since we had the water off, I'm assuming the pond cooled down quite a bit. So we've got to get some hot water back rolling. Oh, it's already rolling. Woohoo! So just a minute ago, we got here and there was no water. Now, I guess you can kind of see it back there. It's coming. So I'm going to go test the temperature with you guys while I got you. Let's go test the temperature. And then we will see what it's at right now, and then we'll see when it gets to be fish worthy. So again, this sat at least part of yesterday and all night. So the water, yeah, it's cold. Woohoo! Let's take a look though. So this is, once again, kind of tough to do. Okay, a little thermometer like this. Just going to stick that guy in there. We shall watch it together. All right. That water. I'm going to say it's still kind of adjusting. It's right there. What's that look like? Around 40, no, actually close to 50. So not too bad, right? I mean, 50 degrees. That's without having any hot water running into it for a while. So we got to get that fixed. So now we'll go up here. Back up to the top. Let's go test the water coming in. Sorry. This is going to be one herky-jerky video. My one hand's on a crutch and whatever. I tore my arch of my foot doing jump roping. Pretty stupid at the gym. Just happened to be too tight and I snapped some ligaments in my foot. So, all right, let's go test the water coming in. So here's my water. There we go. I'm gonna stick it right in here, and we'll see what we got. La 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 la. There's my little thermometer. You wanna get it? Phone's getting wet. All right, you can see we're already creeping up on 90. So you guys can kind of see that. So yeah, somewhere between 80 and 90, which is good, right? So we'll let that run for a couple hours because we brought those little fishies, and I'm afraid if I throw them into 40 degrees, that's going to kill all of them. They're just guppies. They're nothing, they're not even really fancy guppies. They're kind of just little feeder guppies. I wanted to throw them in there as kind of the test group and see if they can get a little group, little